Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from Gdansk, guys. Welcome back to another Unplanned video. We're just checking out our hotel today in Gdansk, and then we're hitting, well, breakfast first. Then we're going to go to the train station and find out about getting down to Warsaw today. I'll just give you a quick tour around this room, show you where we stayed, the Medusa in Old Town. I'll show you around. So you come in the room, bed, little officey area over there, this little courtyard they've got outside, very nice. That's it actually, really, to be honest. TV there, bathroom, standard, beautiful. The reason we only flew into Gdansk was just for one night. It's so expensive, well, it's not expensive, but it's more pricey here than everywhere else because everyone must just flock here. So we're here for like 2-3 nights before we leave too. So this was just like a whistle stop tour. Let's head on now. Saturdays are so busy here, it is crazy. Kind of glad we're leaving, look. Crazy. Well, I just had a mini heart attack seeing the train station like this. I thought it wasn't open for a second. The whole trip relied on that. Whew. But it just looks like some renovation. We're going around the side here where the ticket office is. See what tickets to Warsaw are, or might stop somewhere first on the way. Let's check. Just waiting in this queue. So we've got our tickets just from the ticket office there. 120 zloty to get from here, Gdansk, down to Warsaw Central. I think that is a fabulous price for the distance. The train we wanted to get is full completely. She didn't offer us seats, did she? Like where to sit? No. So I think it's just like first come, first serve for the seats. So it doesn't matter really. We're on our way, so now we'll get something to eat. Okay, we've got our train tickets secured. We're now just grabbing a KFC because it is just next to the train station, and we've got 2 hours 20 minutes to kill. So I'll have this, then maybe look at the luggage block, and then maybe just have a little look around, just explore. Okay, we're walking down to our platform now. It is busy down here, look. We're just outside the We're just outside the train station now. Just here for a drink. Palms running away from these wasps. It's currently 14:11 and our train's 14:50. So we've got like 10-15 minutes before we need to head back to the station.
What are you recording me for?
So we're on our platform now. It is pretty busy, but thanks to Nonstop Europe, thank you so much for the help. We've found out we're on a regional train at 14:50 and not the intercity, which is good because we could have messed up there. Nearly there now. Not long good. This was our seat. We ended up getting the table for 4. Well, no table, but nice and chilled really. We're just pulling into Warsaw now, so I'm going to get up. We made it. That's our train there. Double decker. Both second class. In Spain, the first upstairs one is normally first class, but these were both second class, which was nice. We're here. Look at the difference in buildings. This is like living in the future, and we've just come from the past. Different. Let's explore. They've got a bank here for people from Liverpool. Look, Boss Bank, Boss Lad.
We are the next room.
We're just walking in our room for the first time now.
It's lovely.
Similar to New York. Wait a sec, let's do this room properly. Right, we're in our room. Oh, that was a long train ride, but definitely worth it. Now, just set my laptop and my iPad up, got a little edit station going. Because we're here for 3 nights, so plenty to see and do, plenty to explore. Let's get it. Right, we're just walking down this street. That's the hotel behind us, you can see. We're just heading down this way, I think towards the river. We're going to try and save like the old town for tomorrow, but I do want to see it lit up at night, so maybe after we've had food, we'll have a look. Obviously, because that regional train we're on had no food or dining car or anything, so we're both pretty hungry now. So see on all these lampposts you've got the red and yellow flag there, and all of the metros and the buses, if I can catch these at these lights I'll show you, they're all red and yellow as well, and that's the flag of Warsaw, the capital of Poland. Free lesson there with Dan Unplanned. Check it. Red and yellow. Red and yellow. Right, we're just walking down towards the river now. Honestly, traveling and doing these videos, and oh god, it just makes us so happy and pumped. Feels so good looking around these places and just talking shit to a camera. I don't know what I'm talking about, I just look at things and be like, oh that's nice, but it's so nice to be here. Is this Piers Morgan advertising trainers here? Piers Morgan advertising the sneaks? This place is pretty special. That stadium, by the way, I'm going to send an email. I don't think I'll get quite the same one as the La Rapida Stadium mine. Bit dramatic there. I'm just out for a nice time and I think that woman's passed away, look. Jeez. I think this is a planetarium here. There's a giant planet inside, that's on the list. Get that on the list. Everyone's just on the booze and the crisps. Just chilling on the riverbank, drinking and eating crisps. One thing that definitely don't mention on any Warsaw videos I've seen is the amount of midges that are along this river. I mean, I showed you some back there, but it is non-stop. A wild Instagrammer has appeared. I hope she doesn't fall off. We're just getting some cash out now because to go up this viewing tower here, it's cash only. So it's like the only thing we've encountered card for. Well, we can't use cards, sorry. Oh, it's warm, I tell you. We've just stopped for a little beer. I went wide, just sitting. Then we're going to have a walk down to the old square and then get a bolt back. I'll show you that because it's a very good price.
Monika, Sarah, Belinda von Instagram auf meine Guestlist. Metal in der Kippe, Soda im Drink.
We send you a nice tip for that one.
Thanks, sir.
See ya. The whole ride here was like £2, like 12 zlotys, 16 zlotys, and we've just sent them a 12 zloty tip. That was amazing. What a guy.
So
now we're back at the hotel. Right, we're just back at the room now. It's currently 20 to 11. I'm wiped out off that train ride and having a little look around though. Gonna go back, edit this vlog, and then up and out early tomorrow and see more of Warsaw. So I'll catch you in the next one. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit like, share this video, and I'll catch you tomorrow, 6 p.m. Peace.